If you have been searching for citizenship and advantage with the military apartments, here I'm gonna introduce you one bedroom apartment, 68 square meter, 5 apartments like this one for the citizenship, which is going to give you high return on investment. This one, guys, each apartment we rent it with 20,000 Turkish lira, which is close to 700 US dollar nowadays. It will be like almost 7% rental income to you guys. To get more information about it, contact me and I'm gonna give you a Zoom call, or we can just come here and give you full information about it. My name is Mustafa, a real estate agency from Istanbul, Turkey with 7 years experience, guys. Thank you so much for watching.